Hello and welcome to TooeleTV. I'm your host Mike Gaba, and today we're here with Corey Price, the owner of Area 52 Computers. Welcome, Corey.
Thank you.
So give us a little background. Where are you from and how long have you been here?
I've been living in Tooele for almost 10 years now. I've had this business for about 7 years. We've been serving the people of Tooele County for that time and been happy doing it.
So now what kind of services do you offer here at Area 52?
We build, we sell, custom build, fix computers. We do computer maintenance, anything that has to do with computers. We do small office and home office networking, things like that.
Excellent. So just about everything then.
Yeah, just about everything. I don't program.
Well, that's enough.
Yeah.
Now, tell me something. I've been reading, and you hear about it all the time, that there's always some sort of a new virus or a malware that's attacking our computers. How can you tell? Are there any kind of symptoms or signs?
Well, there's a few things you can obviously tell. One thing, the computer might start running a little bit slower. Other things you might find out is that you might have your friends say, "Hey, you've been sending me these spam emails." Some other things that might be a symptom would be pop-ups on your screen, unfamiliar programs running, different things like that. Not being able to go on the internet. There's a lot of different things. Viruses and malware target lots of different aspects of your computer. So there's if it's just something that doesn't seem quite right,
That's an indication.
that could be an indication. Yeah.
So that begs the question then, what is the difference between a malware and a virus?
A virus is just something that it's supposed to run in the background, and it really doesn't make you aware that it's there. It tries to do things covertly. Malware, it's usually something like a program that is you install intentionally without reading the end user license agreement saying that you agree to have this stuff on your computer.
Those licenses we buzz through all the time without paying attention.
Yep, exactly. Or malware, it's a program. You're going to see some sort of something on your screen.
Okay.
The most popular thing that I see lately is what's known as a rogue antivirus program. Basically, it installs itself on your computer, makes you think that it's helping you, or it tries to scare you into doing some certain action, which would be enter your credit card information or divulge your personal information, that kind of thing. So that's the most popular thing I've seen lately. So
now, you'd mentioned earlier that a slow-running computer is a sign or a symptom. Are there any others that would give us a heads up that something's not right besides the slow-running computer?
Well, the slow-running computer is a sign that you have something wrong. It could be that you have a virus like we talked about earlier. It could be the malware, or it could possibly be you just don't have enough memory to run the stuff that you have on your computer. Or it could be that you have a problem with your hard drive. It could be any sort of problem that could be hardware or software related. So, if your computer starts slowing down all of a sudden, good indication you have your virus. But if it does it over time, if you can't tie it to an event and it does it over time, then you probably just need some more memory.
Okay. Now, does the malware affect just Windows PC, or can it affect Apple as well?
Anything that connects to the internet or some sort of network is open and prone.
Now, as an expert, what are your feelings about the free antiviral programs that you can get versus the paid ones? I mean, do you get what you pay for, or what do you think about that?
I use a free antivirus program. It's called Avast Antivirus. A lot of my peers use it, and a lot of people, and I recommend it to all my customers. In fact, a computer doesn't leave here when we work on it without an antivirus program installed. And if they don't have any, that's what we put on, and we educate them on it and things like that.
Oh, great. Now, what was the name of that antiviral program?
Avast, A-V-A-S-T, Antivirus. So
now, as long as you've been in the business, tell us, what are the most common software problems you have to address?
Well, when the thing that people bring to me the most are virus issues. Other things that happen are, age-related things. One of the things that I've noticed a lot, people, if you don't maintain your computer, like just the simple blowing out the dust, even just blowing out the dust every 6 months. Because that thing, the computer, a desktop will circulate the volume of an average home through its fans in about 8 hours.
Wow. So now tell us a little bit about your business. Now you're sponsoring a contest.
Yeah, right now it's been going on for a while because we're not really happy with anything that's been suggested. We have a mascot. It's a little alien guy that rides around in a spaceship, and eventually where we want to go with this business, we want to go at 100% mobile. So that thus the spaceships will come to you. But right now we have to run it out of our home because certain economic circumstances that a lot of people are experiencing in this country right now.
Sure, of course.
But we're trying to come up with a name for this guy or girl. Could be a girl. And right now the contest is, if I remember correctly, is a $100 gift certificate.
Excellent.
You can use that toward parts or labor or whatever we charge, and then we'll choose at random, and for everybody, between anybody that enters, a 16 gigabyte flash drive.
So now you've been really informative. Now, if people have any questions or concerns and they want to contact you, what's the best way to contact you?
I can be called at 435-843-9316. If texting is your thing, you can text that same number. I can be emailed at coreyp@area52-computers.com. So the hyphen, not an underscore, but a hyphen.
Okay.
Facebook, you can contact me through there.
Well, I can tell that you're passionate and you're enthusiastic about your work, which is great to find these days.
Yeah.
And I appreciate you taking your time to
Thanks.
discuss this with us and enlighten and educate us. So thanks again for joining us. We really appreciate it. And for this day's edition of TooeleTV, I'm your host, Mike Gaba.